All right, my friends, today we are looking at another watch. This is the Blitzwolf BW-AT3C. Now, this does have actually a 360 by 360 pixel display, which is actually fairly large, especially at a watch of about $50 US. What else does it have? Bluetooth, call, 24-hour heart rate, blood pressure, O2 monitor, female health management, custom watch faces, 30-day standby, etc., etc. Now, we're going to take a look at some of the specs, of course. We're going to crack open the box, see what we think. We are going to pair it with my iPhone. And that will be today's kind of video, a little bit of a first look, a little bit about our thoughts on the build quality and how the setup goes, etc., etc. And then, of course, later on tonight, you guys will see an updated, if you stay tuned tonight, which you should, there will be a 60-second short that comes out, which is a little updated review of what I think after wearing this watch for a week. Yeah, all right. So here it is. I do like the pixel count, 360 by 360. It does look like you can get it in black, you can get it in blue, I like that blue actually, and a silver. Actually, they're all kind of nice. I have no idea what color I got. Nope. Spec-wise, watch charging cable comes with, yeah, leather watch band, sure, etc., etc. I'll put links to Banggood's website. Banggood actually sent me this to try out, so you guys can go take a look at all the specs and all that kind of goodness. So instead of making this video too long, we'll just crack it open. Just crack it open here somehow, like that. And I don't know if it needs, well, it will need some kind of app, I'm sure. Blitzwolf True SmartWatch, very nice. What does it say? Bluetooth version 5. Okay, working time anywhere from 5 to 10 days. So they give you a good span. We'll just make sure that we hopefully can get over 5. And the review, like I said, usually comes out about a week after we film this, so we've had a chance to actually wear this for about a week. Battery 360 milliamp hours, 66 grams, and compatible with iOS 8 Plus or Android 4.4 Plus. And you get a little QR code down here. That's just going to take you to Blitzwolf's website. And the box, of course, traditional kind of Blitzwolfy green and white. Oh, I got the blue. Oh, that blue's snazzy. Oh, I like that. I like that a whole bunch. Please make sure full charge before using. Well, we're not going to charge it full right now, but after we take a look at it and pair it, I will give it a charge. Oh, that is nice. Oh, now, of course, I'm basing this completely on just cosmetic looks, but that, and you guys, I don't know if you guys are seeing it as blue as it is. I'm not sure if it comes out a little more purpley on the screen, but that is a lovely blue. Wow. So it says sound up here. Is there little buttons? I can't really tell. I'm curious. It says sound up there on the watch. Up, down, because there are physical buttons on this side. I don't see any physical buttons on this side. 3D, fashion. You guys see that? Because if you weren't sure if this was fashionable, now you know that it is fashion. Oh, I like that. So it's got a bunch of stickers, of course, to take off. We'll take those off in a minute. Blue band. Just looks like it looks more rubbery than like a silicone, so just be aware. I would say I like the silicone band, silicone, just because they're, I don't know what I'm thinking of. They're soft. They don't irritate your wrist at all. It's a little more rubbery, so I'm not too sure, but we'll see after a week. But I like that blue, that I do. Okay, and last but not least, you get a USB to the standard magnetic charger, right? And realize too, this is something that I've just really noticed in the past few weeks, really, is that you get all these magnet chargers and they don't all fit all different watches. I wish they would kind of make this like a standard, but they don't. Quality control, and of course a user manual. Okay, so there's a QR code. So before we start anything here, we're gonna come on to my camera and see if we can grab that. Come on, you can do it. You can try to do it, maybe. There we go. I think we got it. It's a little small on here, but yep. The fit. So this is, we've had some other Blitzwolf watches here on the channel before. So my guess is possibly this is using the same app that it would have used on the other watches, I think. While that is downloading, we have my phone here. Just gonna clean this up a little bit there. Phone there so you guys can see it. And watch, first off, let's take all these stickery things off. And make sure you take the one off the back for the heart rate sensor. And I'm gonna just open that there. Now this does look like it's a traditional style watch band. So you may be able to use just about any kind of watch band. I'm not 100% sure, but it definitely looks that way. And that sticker's coming off to you. All right, heart rate sensor. But it definitely has like a little bit of heft to it, which I like. And I can't tell looking on the screen here. Maybe it looks a little more purpley than blue, but it is definitely blue for sure. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot, actually. This could, if the screen and everything is really nice, this could possibly be. That seems crooked. That's better. Is that better? Yeah, I think that's better. This could be like a good travel watch, because a lot of times you go on holidays and you want something that can maybe last for a full week without having to charge, so I don't have to bring an extra charger. So maybe. All right, so first off, I'm going to open this app and would like to use Bluetooth. Yep. Okay, so I got to fill in all my stuff here, so hold on, I'll be right back. So it's basically looking at gender, height, weight, and your birth year. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Add a device. So add bracelet to get more health information. Yeah, I'm with you. Add. Allow while using. All right, so it's searching, but I got to turn this on, so I may have to get it to search again. Okay, this started up. Blitzwolf. Anything? I guess that's it. Found that one. Is that it? Bluetooth pairing. Yes. To display your phone notifications. Yes. And I'm guessing that's it. That's kind of all, right? It's just got my info there. So down at the bottom, this is your device. So you can see right now, I only have 57%. So I am going to give this a charge before I kind of start my week's worth of wearing. Watch faces. I like the red, but it doesn't go with the blue. Discover more dials. So that's nice. What is all? These ones are snazzy. There's a bunch of really designy ones. I just like ones that are useful. So say that like, but I want all the information that I would want, like battery life and my activity information and things like that. Sometimes that's harder to find than you would think. So anything more at the top here? I'm going with, because what one's, and I want it to match this blue. So I like this one, but sadly I don't necessarily like it with the red face. That face would look really good with blue. So maybe I'm going with just this dial right here. Now my guess is that if we, oh, that instantly turned. Yeah, I think that's the one I want. I like that one. I'm going with that one. Now if you go into this discover more, of course I'll have to download and install, but that's okay. We have notifications. So phone, messages, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp I don't use, WeChat I don't use, Instagram, Skype I don't use. So I always turn off the ones that I don't use, because as far as I know, having them on when you don't use them is just going to kill battery even more. Alarms, if you want to set it. Shutter control, favorite contacts, yep. Others, anything in here. Find device, time format, yep. Reminders to move, don't care. Do not disturb. Language, unit format, so do you want imperial or metric? Auto lock, oh that's good. Seconds, I want a little longer, so I'm going to go to 15-ish, I like that. You can reset your watch from here. Quick view, okay. Valid period all day, I'm not really sure. Drink water reminders, heart rate alerts. Normally if this was a watch that I'd have on all the time, I would turn that on. So it actually has, you can set your maximum heart rate. So this is set at 160, which is only kind of judging if your heart rate goes over this number when you're not in an exercise mode, right? Weather, yeah, Celsius, sure. Location, it should. I guess I can just kind of pop in where I live. Cool. And physiological cycle reminder. Nope. Upgrade. Does it say there's an upgrade? Your software is up to date. So that's excellent. And I don't think there's anything other than you can remove the device. So if I was to not want this anymore, or I was to give this to somebody or whatever, I could remove it so it's not paired here. Of course, you have your profile, goals, health, about, health. So does it have connect to Apple Health? So it says you can change your settings to fit. Maybe I already have it set because it was there before. Okay. And last but not least, this is where you got your steps, your sleep, your full day heart rate, all this good stuff here. Nice. All right. I'm down. Man, that's a nice looking watch. I really do like that. I am a fan of smartwatches, not necessarily looking like smartwatches, if that makes sense. I like it to look a little more like a traditional watch, which this does. Man, I like that. Did I tell you how much I like that blue? All right, so let's just move this over for a second, just to kind of take a look here. So circular, nice. That's a nice face. If I pull down, we do have your info, any calls coming through, your temperature. This is going to be, I believe, how your apps, grid view or list view. So we'll keep them in just a grid view right now. Come down here again. If you want to find your phone, this is your brightness. So we can crank that up even more. So I wonder how we do that. It is just slide it. Okay. One of these is going to be back, I would think, down. Oh, there's a down and an up. You can just use these two. Tap the center one to go back. There's your settings. So phone off if you don't want to get it. Call reset. Game. What the heck is game? Oh, it has little games on here. Game on a watch. Okay, I'm down. Scroll. Stopwatch. Alarm. Timer. Menu again. Brightness. Vibrations. Theater mode. Reset. Power off. About. App download. App download. Oh, so if you want to download the app for your phone because you didn't get it already. All right, and then the center one is kind of like a back button, right? It has your battery up top, so I like that. That one just kind of goes back. If you're on your clock screen and you tap this, it just goes to sleep. Okay, if you hit your down button here, oh, you got this is all your information, like your steps and your sleep, and yeah, so it's got all of it just kind of up on the screen. Enable phone calls, down, anything else? Oh, there's all your health information, so your heart rate, your blood oxygen, your all this stuff. Down again, weather, and it's animated, very nice. Shutter for your, it's got a lovely screen on it. Music, breathe app, and then we're done and back here. And if we go up, I'm guessing we do nothing, just down. Now, if you slide down to up, you get notifications. Cool. If you slide this way, same thing as kind of scrolling, right? So you get that different. Yeah, same thing as hitting your down button. This way. Oh, there's all your apps. Very cool. So you do have them in that weird kind of circular. So I'm guessing you can kind of just spin this around. Yeah. So that's cool. And it looks neat. And you get a little vibration as you go around it, which is cool. But maybe list would be better. Let's just see. I'm going to pull back down here. Tap this one and go to a list view. So now when I slide over, yeah, maybe list is better. And I probably can use the up and the down. Yeah, it kind of goes page up and page down. Did I tell you I like that? I like that watch. Now, the only thing that I would like even more, possibly, not 100%, is if they allowed me to have a face that the fonts are like blue, maybe. Okay, as of now, I love it. I do. I'm gonna say I really do love it. I love this blue. Love the blue. Very nice. I wish the strap was maybe a little different. You know, a little bit of a different strap. But I love the face and the metal and the buttons because it definitely does not look like a smartwatch for sure. Like that is slick. We're going to try this for the next week, and you guys will see a updated video short that comes out later on tonight in regards to my thoughts after we're in this for a full week. All right, guys. First impressions, though. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. Connect is super easy. And And it does everything that a smartwatch should kind of do, especially at a $50 US price point. All right, my friends, links down below to Banggood's website if you guys are interested in this watch. Just realize, like, it's a bigger watch. Like, even compared to here, you guys may be able to see it, like how thick it is. Like, it's a thick watch for sure. Like, it's thick this way, which I like. But yeah, links down below to Banggood's website if you're interested in the Blitzwolf. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and watch for our little updated video that's coming out later on tonight. Later, my friends.